Newsboys play all over the world. And I promise you this, our favorite state by far is the state of California. I know what Pastor Greg is going to preach about tonight. And some of you guys that are here tonight, not just the believers, God bless the believers, but for the unbelievers, hang on. Please listen tonight. We have a word from God for you. Here's a verse for you guys. In the days of shootings in Walmarts and high schools and craziness everywhere, just cray times, I found the most comforting verse. Listen carefully. Oh, is it? Quiet, listen. Psalm 62. He alone is my safe place. His wraparound presence always protects me. For he is my champion defender. Here's the best part. Listen. There is no risk of failure with God. So why would I let worry paralyze me, even when troubles multiply around me? Believers and non-believers alike, make no mistake about it, our God's not dead. I'm so cold to see you.